everyone, this is the fifth lecture of technology. Welcome start to Hello Tech enthusiast. Welcome to another existing episode of Tech Chronicle where we delve into the ever evolving world of technology. I am your host, your name, and today we are going to explore the frontiers of innovation from the last breakthrough the fantastic trends shaping our digital landscape. Our journey being in our journey being with artificial intelligence, a force that transforming industry and reshaping the way we live from virtual assist to advanced machine learning algorithm. AI is making way across various sectors. Take chatbot for example, the becoming more intelligent and engaging, providing personalized experience in customer series and beyond. The future of AI beyond terminance potential, we pushing the boundaries of what machine can do, from natural language processing the complex decision making as we continue our explanation. Let's take about 5G, the fifth generation of wireless technology. It's not just about faster download speed, it's game change for connectivity. 5G is not just an upgrade, it's a platform for innovation. With reduced literature and increased bandwidth, we are unlocking possibilities for augmented reality, smart city, and the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things or lots is connectivity, and our world is way never image. Smart homes, image or words where you home anticipates your need, adjusting temperature, lighting, and security based on your preference. Now let dive into the quantum realm. Quantum computing is publish the boundaries of classical computing, opening new door for solving complex problem and unprecedented speed. Quantum bytes or qubit enable parallel computing, allowed us take problem that were one considered unsolved. Its revolution is information processing. With great technological come the need for revolt cyber security as your life become more connectivity, safeguarding our digital assist become paramount. From rare some way attack the publish scheme. The digital landscape is rife with a threat. We must stay vigilant and apply advanced security measures to protect our data. And there you have it, a glimpse into the existing frontiers of technology. From AI, the quantum computing, the innovation are shaping our future. As we continue to embrace the technological marvel, let's remember that navigate the digital frontiers responsibility. Until next time, that is your name singing off. Stay conscious of the tech saying. 5G is not just upgraded, it's platform for innovation. We reduce latency and increase bandwidth. We are knocking possibilities for augmented reality, smart cities, and the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things or lot is connectivity our world in way we never imagine. Smart home image a world where your home anticipates your need, adjusting temperature, lighting, and security based on your preference. Now let's dive into the quantum relief. Quantum computing is pushing the boundaries of classical computing, opening a new door for solving complex problems at unprecedented speed. The future of AI holds tremendous potential. We pushing the boundaries of what machine can do, from natural language processing the complex decision making. As we continue our exploring, let's take about 5G, the fifth generation of wireless technology. It's not just about faster download speed. It's game changer for connectivity. Take chatbot for example, the becoming more intelligent and engaging, providing personalized experience in customer series and beyond. Within great technology adventures come the need for robust crop security as our life become more connectivity, safeguarding our digital assist become paramount. From rare some attack to publish scheme, the digital landscape is rife with threat. We must stay vigilant and employ advanced security measures to protect our data. The our journey being with artificial intelligence, a force that transforming industries and reshaping that the way we live, from virtual assist to advanced machine learning algorithm. AI is making way across various sectors. Take chatbot for example, the becoming more intelligent and engaging, providing personalized experiences, customer series and beyond. The future of AI hold tremendously potential.